St. John's wore vintage 90s uniforms today at the Garden. They looked great, and it was appropriate since this whole season kind of feels like a throwback. But maybe more appropriate, a 1985 feel. The Johnnies are 19-3. It's their best start in 40 years. Rick Pitino's 15th ranked team looking for an 8th straight win with Providence at the Garden. This finish was wild. Red Storm led by 1 with 40 seconds left. R.J. Lewis steps back and pushes the lead up to 3. He scored 19 points on the day. Yeah, look at those throwbacks. Really sweet. But the Friars would tie the game at 66. Just seconds to play. That's time for Kadary Richmond to have his Johnnies moment. The Seton Hall transfer gives the Johnnies the lead. And 3 seconds later, a collective holding of their breaths. Yes, they win. A thrill ride for St. John's, who win it 68-66. Exciting? You bet. A victory to savor? Let's not get carried away, warns Rick Pitino.
They think I'm going to jump up and down and congratulate. What a great win. It's just the opposite. You lose games when you don't pay attention to your job, and they didn't pay attention to their job. So we're very fortunate and very pleased we won, but very disappointed in the way we played down the stretch. Not offensively, defensively.